phone.
Hey Bradley, you gonna show me how you go down on your car?
Yeah.
Show me how you come down on your car.
Are you ready?
Hang on. Okay, put your feet up.
She's talking to her grandma all while she's driving.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Tell Grandma you gotta call her back later.